cough drop, even though it won't help your imminent demise.
Loser.
Just gonna go cut myself instead. You know what? Forget you.
My Milky Way turned hard. Who are you?
I am the cough drop fairy. What are you doing here? I am to give you something to replace this piece of crap.
That was my only Milky Way. I am very poor. A cough drop? Alas!
And we're back. And upcoming next is the wonderful singer and songwriter Miley Cyrus. Come on, let's go.
You get the Are you okay?
What do you think? Agent! Sounds like you need a cough drop.
Oh, where did you come from?
I am the cough drop fairy and I am here to solve your problems.
Security! This is the wrong show!
Why? Why is my life such a...
Need a cough drop.
Thank you, Savior! Savior, come back!
Thank you for watching the Cough Drop movie. And
Savior! Do you want a cough
Do
drop?
you need a cough
Do
drop?
you need a cough drop? I will save you. Bow down to the Savior. The Savior of
I am
emos.
not worthy!
Emo Savior! Thank you!
I am not worthy!
I need you! Oh my God!